Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to change your WhatsApp group photo instantly. Whether you're looking to update your group's image to something fresh, or just want to personalize it, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. You'll see a list of all your chats, including groups. Locate the group whose photo you want to change, and tap on it to open the chat screen. Once inside, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info page, where you can manage various settings and details about your group. Now, look for the current group photo at the top of the group info page. Tap on this photo to start the editing process. You'll notice an edit icon appear. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll have several options to choose from, but for this tutorial, we're going to take a new photo using your camera. Select the camera option, and WhatsApp will ask for permission to access your camera. Once granted, you can take a new photo. Make sure it's a great shot that represents your group well. After capturing the photo, you'll be given the chance to adjust it if needed. However, since we're aiming for a quick update, we'll keep it simple. Tap on OK to confirm your selection. WhatsApp will then update the group photo, and all members will be notified about the change. It's that simple. You've successfully changed your WhatsApp group photo in just a few taps. Changing your group photo is not only fun but also helps keep your group chats visually appealing and personalized. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, these steps remain the same, making it easy for everyone in your group to follow along. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in updating your WhatsApp group photo. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.